Pharmacogenomics plays a crucial role in enhancing drug safety and efficacy by considering an individual's genetic variations that can influence drug response. Here are the key aspects of how pharmacogenomics contributes to drug safety and efficacy. Genetic variations can affect drug metabolism, drug targets, and drug transporters, which can influence an individual's response to medications. Pharmacogenomic testing can identify specific genetic markers associated with drug response, enabling clinicians to predict how a patient is likely to respond to a particular medication. This information helps optimize treatment decisions and select drugs that are more likely to be effective for a given individual. Genetic variations can impact an individual's susceptibility to adverse drug reactions, or ADRs. Pharmacogenomics can identify genetic markers associated with an increased risk of specific ADRs. By screening for these markers, healthcare providers can avoid prescribing medications that may pose a higher risk of adverse events. This proactive approach minimizes the likelihood of severe or life-threatening reactions and enhances patient safety. Individualized dosing. Genetic variations can influence drug metabolism, leading to differences in drug clearance and plasma concentrations. Pharmacogenomic testing can provide insights into an individual's metabolic capacity and drug response, which helps optimize drug dosing. By tailoring the dosage based on an individual's genetic profile, healthcare providers can ensure that patients receive an appropriate and personalized dose, maximizing therapeutic efficacy while minimizing the risk of toxicity or suboptimal treatment response. Drug selection and treatment optimization. Pharmacogenomic testing can guide drug selection by identifying medications that are more likely to be effective for an individual based on their genetic profile. This personalized approach improves treatment outcomes by avoiding drugs that may be less effective or ineffective due to an individual's genetic makeup. Furthermore, pharmacogenomics can aid in treatment optimization by identifying alternative drugs or dosing strategies if the initial treatment approach is not achieving the desired response. Polypharmacy and drug-drug interactions. Pharmacogenomics can help identify genetic markers associated with drug metabolism and drug-drug interactions. This information is particularly relevant for patients on multiple medications. By considering an individual's genetic profile, healthcare providers can optimize drug combinations and adjust dosages to minimize the risk of drug-drug interactions and potential adverse effects. Overall, pharmacogenomics empowers clinicians to make more informed decisions regarding drug selection, dosing, and treatment optimization. By incorporating genetic information into clinical practice, healthcare providers can improve drug safety by avoiding adverse reactions, enhance treatment efficacy by selecting medications that are more likely to be effective, and personalize treatment strategies for individual patients. This approach improves patient outcomes and reduces the occurrence of adverse events, ultimately leading to safer and more effective medication use.